Sound. The study of sound is called acoustics. It is a form of energy. Definition. It originates in vibrating cells and travels in almost any direction in the form of waves. If these sound waves touch the eardrum of our ear for 1/10th of a second, the sense of hearing is created. Sound waves need a medium to travel. Medium. A substance containing particles is called a medium. It exists in solid, liquid, and gaseous states. Sound waves can't travel in a vacuum. For example, sound waves emitted when a gun is fired above the moon surface can't be heard. A healthy human being can only hear sound waves between 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and this interval is known as sonic sound, and these waves are called sonic waves. Below 20 Hz is known as infrasonic sounds, and above 20 kHz is known as ultrasonics. Wave. A wave is a movement of energy from one point to another. Each wave has the following characteristics: amplitude, wavelength, periodic time, and frequency. Types of waves. First, based on the nature, mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Second, based on the way the waves travel, longitudinal waves and transverse waves. Echo or resound. When the sound waves hit the opposite surfaces in the path of travel and are reflected and reach our ears, it is called echo or resound. Echo has two conditions. First condition, the minimum distance between sound generator location and reflector head shall be 16.5 meters, and time gap shall be 1/10th second. Applications of echo: sonar and stethoscope. Based on the principle multiple reflection.